What's up, fellow riders? So, you've been riding e-bikes for a while now. You've mastered the basics. You know your assist levels like the back of your hand. And you've probably even tackled some hills that used to make you sweat just looking at them. But now you're thinking, what's next? How do I take my riding from good to truly great? Well, you've clicked on the right video. Today, we're diving deep into the world of advanced e-bike techniques that will transform your ride, boost your skills, and unlock the full potential of your machine. This isn't about just pressing the on button. This is about becoming one with your bike. First up, let's talk about something I call active power management. Beginner riders often set one assist level and just stick with it. But advanced riders? We're constantly playing with the power like a maestro conducting an orchestra. Going into a tight corner, drop the assist down a level or two. This gives you more control and prevents the motor from unexpectedly surging and throwing off your line. As you exit the corner and see a clear path, that's your cue to bump the power back up for a thrilling acceleration. Think of your assist settings not as set and forget, but as a dynamic tool to manage traction, conserve battery, and maximize performance in real time. It takes practice, but soon it'll become second nature. Next, let's get into advanced braking. You already know how to stop, but do you know how to use your brakes to improve your flow and speed? It's all about trail braking. This is where you gently apply the brakes as you enter a turn and gradually release them as you move through the apex. On a heavier e-bike, this technique is a game changer. It helps manage the bike's weight, keeps the suspension compressed for better grip, and allows you to maintain momentum. Instead of a harsh brake turn accelerate sequence, you create a smooth, continuous arc. Start practicing on familiar, easy turns and feel how it connects your entry and exit. Remember, smooth is fast. Now for a big one, conquering technical climbs. An e-bike can make you feel like a superhero uphill. But on really tricky technical single track, it's not just about raw power. It's about throttle body English. I'm talking about using subtle shifts in your body weight combined with precise power modulation. As your front wheel approaches an obstacle like a root or a rock, unweight the front end by shifting your hips back slightly. Give a little power pulse to help lift the wheel over, and then immediately shift your weight forward to help the rear wheel clear it. It's a delicate dance of timing, balance, and power. Forget just sitting and spinning. Active climbing is where the real skill lies. Mastering this will get you up stuff you never thought possible. Let's also discuss battery strategy for those epic all-day adventures. An advanced rider doesn't just ride until the battery dies. They plan their power usage. This means using lower assist levels on flat sections or downhills, maybe even turning the motor off completely to coast. Save that precious turbo mode for the killer climbs where it really counts. Before a long ride, look at the route profile. If the biggest hills are at the end, be conservative at the start. If they're all at the beginning, you can afford to be a bit more generous early on. Understanding your bike's range in different modes and conditions is a crucial skill. A smart rider can often go further than a powerful rider who burns through their battery too quickly. Finally, let's talk about optimizing your bike's setup. As an advanced rider, you should move beyond the stock settings. Are your suspension's rebound and compression settings dialed in for your weight and riding style? A properly tuned suspension makes a world of difference in traction and control, especially at speed. What about your tire pressure? Experiment with slightly lower pressures for more grip on loose trails, or higher pressures for more efficiency on pavement. Even your cockpit setup handlebar width, stem length, and brake lever position can be fine-tuned to enhance control and comfort. Don't be afraid to tinker. Small adjustments can lead to huge performance gains. So there you have it, 5 key areas to focus on to elevate your e-bike skills. From active power management and trail braking to technical climbing, smart battery strategy, and custom tuning. It's time to go beyond the basics and truly master your machine. Put these tips into practice, and I promise you'll feel more confident. Ride faster and have way more fun out on the trails. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more e-bike content. Now get out there and ride.